Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a AI influencer. Alright, so first we are going to go to my shop. uh, I'm selling few ebooks, alright, and PayHype also. So these are my ebooks. So for when we sell things we have to promote them, right? So we're gonna promote these ebooks, one of them. We're gonna choose one of the ebook and we're gonna promote it. Alright. And here I have my Notion. Okay. What you will do is the original prompt is like a model is promoting a outfit in a showroom, but then I have changed it into a bookstore. So a model is promoting a bookstore, a ebook in a bookstore. So you can rephrase everything using ChatGPT, which I did. Alright, I'm gonna show you step by step. So here is I have told them to create a new prompt, or I have told them to rephrase a new prompt. You can tell ChatGPT to give a book promotion prompt as well. Alright, I'm gonna show you step by step how I did this actually. So I told ChatGPT to rephrase this prompt. The AI influencer will be promoting a book. So make and rephrase the prompt accordingly. So these are the prompts, and ChatGPT has given me a new brand book promotion prompt. But the dialogue, I have told ChatGPT, as you can see, the dialogue is an Indian language. So you can tell ChatGPT to uh, change into an English language, and we can combine the scene. So ChatGPT will give you a JSON format also, and we can generate a video by that. Alright, I told ChatGPT to create a new model prompts, like model prompt, something like that. I told ChatGPT, like I'm experimenting with what ChatGPT can do. After that, ChatGPT has given me few prompts for the model: modern bookstore, cozy reading cafe, outdoor park in a reading spot, university library, uh, book ad commercial, something else. All right, and at the same time, ChatGPT has given the VU3 JSON video prompt, and you can tell ChatGPT to combine four scenes into a one scene. Okay, so in these are the four scenes which is combined already. So at this is the new one which right now I'm chatting, telling ChatGPT. Alright. So what I did, this is the old one, this is the new one. So I'm gonna close this one so there's no confusion. Now I told ChatGPT to create a new different prompt and make the dialogues from Hindi to English, because first our dialogue was in Indian language. So I told ChatGPT to give a English dialogues. Alright, these are the JSON prompt. You just have to copy and paste. But I told ChatGPT to give me the prompt in sentence. Alright, now I told ChatGPT to give me a AI influencer face prompt in our model prompt. And if you see in the Notion, the model prompt is always 21st-year-old Instagram influencer. Alright, same. And here in our new prompt is 21-year-old model. And so I told ChatGPT to, you can give a new one, or you can give a brand new face prompt, a new model, you know, in an older age. Okay, So now we are going to utilize this. Okay, and we have our uh, JSON prompt as well. So now what we are going to do is we are going to go to Google Gemini. Before starting, let me give you some idea how do I create this. Let me show you some glimpse so you can get the idea.
Hey guys! If you've ever dreamed of working from home, setting your own schedule, and earning meaningful income without needing a degree, then listen closely, because this book might change everything for you. This virtual assistant guidebook teaches you everything you need to succeed in the online service industry, what skills you need, what tasks companies are hiring for, how to create your first portfolio, and how to confidently communicate with clients so you stand out. One Chapter, One Love breaks down how to find clients using platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, and social media, including sample messages you can copy and paste. Another chapter teaches how to price your work based on hours, project packages, or retainer deals. And yes, it even teaches you how to avoid underpricing and burnout.
So I'm telling my model to promote my book. Alright, so we are going to learn how to do this. So first, we are going to create an image first, and we're going to go back to ChatGPT and copy our prompt, our influencer prompt. This is our influencer prompt. Alright, let's copy and paste. Alright, so this is our influencer. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can redo it again. Let's say full body. Okay, so it means the full body will come. Okay, great. Let's say remove the book. Remove the book and pen. So you just have to communicate with AI in simple language, in simple English, that is also fine. Now you can see the hands are inside, hands out from the pocket. So we have told the AI, Google Gemini, to take out the hands from the pocket, but same result. Hands out, same result. So we are just gonna go with this. Alright, let's see what we can do. Next, we're gonna go to Google AI Studio. Okay, from that, from here, we are gonna uh, try Nano Banana. I have tried few book promotion in a modern bookstore, so I've already tried, and let's see how the result is. Yeah, there you go. Alright, this is our book, this is our model. So the same thing we are gonna do like that also. We are gonna drop our model image here. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna go to our shop, and guys, please do support to this shop also. Those who love reading, who likes to uplift your knowledge, wants to learn new skills. So please do support, please do purchase the books from the store. I have given the all right. Now let's see. we're gonna use this one. We're gonna copy image, interview success blueprint. Alright. We're gonna promote this book. Okay. I'm gonna create a new chat. So we're gonna tell Nano Banana. We're gonna put our model picture and we're gonna select our ebook picture as well. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our Notion and we are gonna combine this two image into a one image. So you will see we're gonna enter this prompt. Okay, now let's see how the result is. There you go. So you can see the detailed. Okay, we are gonna download this. Alright, and now what we're gonna do is we are gonna convert, we're gonna create a video. So we are gonna try keygen the before starting the tutorial. I will tell provide a JSON prompt which marketing video where our model is promoting a ebook called Interview Success Blueprint and merge all the scenes into one scenes. Okay, now let's see if ChatGPT have understand. So here's your final clean merge single scene JSON prompt for marketing video where the model promotes an ebook titled Interview Success Blueprint. The version includes cinematic camera direction, smooth lip sync, and one continuous scenes, English only dialogue, and an influencer style delivery. Okay, let's see. This is only a one scene. You can, let's just, if you're satisfied with the result, you can try more. All right. If you want, the ChatGPT can also provide you a 15-second version, a more dramatic, more humorous version, a version with multiple influencer. Just tell me. Alright, so we'll just try with this first. Let's see how the result is. Alright, we're gonna experiment how the result is. Okay, so ChatGPT has given us our plan already, and if we are convinced with, if we're happy with this plan given by Heygen, then just type yes and submit, and Heygen will proceed the plan and will generate the video. Okay, there there you go. Our video agent is working on our video. So they are analyzing the understanding, the planning, the creating. So please do try Heygen video agent for once and see how the result is. Alright, this will take a while, this will take time. So once our video is ready, I will get back. Okay, so we have our result now. Now let's see how the result is.
Hey everyone, I'm here at this beautiful bookstore and I'm excited to show you something truly valuable. This is the Interview Success Blueprint, an ebook designed to help you prepare smarter, speak confidently, and land your dream job. Every chapter is packed with real world tips, example answers, and strategies that actually work. If you've been struggling with interviews or just want to upgrade your skills, this guide is going to make a huge difference. So don't wait. Grab your copy of Interview Success Blueprint today and take the first step toward the career you deserve.
Okay, so I like the result so far. It is good, and the way how they approach, the way how they promote the book, that was also good. Overall, it's a thumbs up. It's good. It's perfect. Alright, so now what we are gonna do is we are gonna download this, and if you want to edit some scenes, then you can go to edit in studio and you can go ahead and edit. Alright, and if you want to remove this logo, Heygen logo, then you can go to find some alternative websites like vmake.com AI to remove the logo, or I'm sure there is more alternative website which you can try, or you can put your logo picture, your office logo, your product logo, or basically your logo in this to cover the this area. All right, so far I hope you get the idea, guys. I hope this tutorial is valuable for you. So if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Please drop your thoughts, don't hesitate. All right, and if you're watching until the very end, please drop a yellow heart or yellow star. Please do support the channel, guys. See you in the next video.